Good morning, students. Today's video I am going to discuss about the marking scheme of half yearly exam. Okay, so let's do that. This is the question paper. This is the form. The question number 1, choose the correct option. The number of oxygen atom present in sulfate radical. So sulfate, we know that is SO4 2 minus. So number of oxygen atoms present in that will be 4, SO4 2 minus. Okay, the gas evolved during the reaction between zinc and dilute sulfuric acid. The gas evolved will be hydrogen. Hydrogen gas is evolved during this reaction. Valency of copper in copper 2 sulfate, it will be 2. The number of neutrons present in phosphorus, which is having mass number 31 and atomic number 15, so it will be 31 minus 15 is equal to 16. So 16 protons are present, 16 neutrons are present in phosphorus. Which of the element can show variable valency? This will be iron. Freezing point of water in degree centigrade will be 0. 0 degree centigrade is the freezing point of water. How many hydrogen atoms are present in 2 glucose molecule? In 1 glucose molecule there will be C6H12O6. This is the formula of glucose. So 12 hydrogen atoms are present in 1 glucose molecule. So in 2 glucose molecule there will be 24. Next, which of the following has the highest kinetic energy? We know in gaseous substances kinetic energy is highest. So hydrogen gas will be the answer. Next, which of the following can show sublimation? It will be ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride can show sublimation. Which of the following radical is trivalent? It will be nitride, N3 minus. Next, name the following. The energy which a body possesses because of its movement. This will be kinetic energy. So, answer will be kinetic energy. The starting material of a chemical reaction, this will be reactant. Reactant or reactants. Okay, the starting materials of a chemical reaction. Next, the arrangement of electrons around the nucleus of an atom. So, arrangement of electrons will be electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. Okay, arrangement of electrons around the nucleus of an atom. Next, the formation of gas bubbles in a liquid during a reaction. Formation of gas bubbles, it will be effervescence. Effervescence. Next, the attractive force that holds the atoms of a molecule together in a compound. This will be chemical bond. Attractive force that holds the atoms of a molecule together in a compound. Chemical bond. Chemical bond or chemical bonds, anyone. Okay, next, match the following with the appropriate option given below. Copper sulfide, let's see, it's a black solid. copper sulfide. Next, protons was discovered by Goldstein. Nitrogen dioxide, it is reddish brown vapor. Hydroxide, it is a acid radical, hydroxide. Calcium ion is a basic radical. Okay, next, choose true or false. Concentration of reactants and products can be known from a chemical equation. This is concentration we can't get from a chemical equation, so this will be false. Okay, we can't get the concentration. Next, dirty green precipitation can be observed if ferrous sulfate solution is made react with sodium hydroxide solution. Yes, we can get a dirty uh, green precipitate of ferrous hydroxide, so it will be true. Baking soda is the common name of sodium carbonate. It will be sodium bicarbonate. Baking soda is the common name of sodium bicarbonate, not sodium carbonate, so it is false. The reaction between nitrogen and hydrogen to produce ammonia is a reversible reaction. It is true. It's a reversible reaction. Just a second. Once again, we have to do this. Let us do it quickly. It will be 4. Gas evolved during the, this is hydrogen, valency of copper sulfate 2. This will be 16. This is iron, freezing point 0, 24. This is hydrogen gas, ammonium chloride, nitride. This will be reactants. Arrangement of electron, this is electronic configuration. This is effervescence. Attractive force, this will be chemical bond. Copper sulfate, black solid. Copper sulfate, this is black solid. Next, protons, this will be Goldstein. Nitrogen dioxide, reddish brown vapor. Hydroxide, this is acid radical. Calcium ion will be basic radical. True, false. Concentration we can't get, so this will be false. Dirty green precipitate, yes, true. Baking soda, this is false. It will be sodium bicarbonate. Nitrogen and hydrogen, this is a reversible reaction, yes. Dichromate is a monovalent basic radical. Dichromate is Cr2O7 2-, so this is not monovalent, this is bivalent or divalent, so this will be false. Okay, and it's not a basic radical, it's an acid radical. Okay, So it will be false. Next, answer the following question. What is the total number of hydrogen atoms present in a molecule of ammonium sulfate? Ammonium sulfate is NH4 whole 2 SO4. Okay, NH4 whole 2 SO4. So number of hydrogen atoms, it will be NH4 whole 2. That means it will be 8. So it's 8. Total number of hydrogen atoms present in a molecule of ammonium sulfate, NH4 whole 2 SO4. Achha, let me write that. NH4 whole 2 SO4. Okay, NH4 whole 2 SO4. Now see, there are 8 hydrogen atoms are there. Okay, so this will be only 8 you have to write here. I'm just writing that okay, so the answer will be answer will be 8. Okay, NH4 whole 2 SO4, so the answer will be 8. Next, what is the name of the solid formed? What is the name of the solid formed in a reaction between two gases, ammonia and hydrogen chloride? Okay, so ammonia and hydrogen chloride in gaseous form, when they will react, we will get a solid, that is ammonium chloride. Okay, so ammonium chloride will be the name of the solid. You can write the formula also, both are correct. Okay, anyone can be accepted. Achha. What is the number of oxygen molecule produced in decomposition of potassium chlorate when the reaction is balanced? We know the balanced reaction of potassium chlorate, so there will be 3 oxygen atom. There will be 3 oxygen atom produced in this reaction. Okay, when the reaction is balanced, 2 KClO3, when this will decompose, we will be getting 2 KCl and 3 O2. So there will be 3 oxygen molecule produced. Identify the gas liberated with suffocating odor when sodium sulfite is treated with dilute hydrochloric acid. The gas will be, name of the gas will be sulfur dioxide, SO, it will be SO2. Name of the gas, this will be sulfur dioxide or SO2. You can write the name also, okay, instead of this. Achha, next, what will you observe if sodium chloride solution is added to silver nitrate solution? If we add sodium chloride in silver nitrate, we know we will be getting a white, curdy white precipitate. So this will be a white precipitation. The answer will be a white precipitation. Okay, next, fill in the blanks with appropriate answer. Number of oxygen atoms present in the formula of permanganate ion. Permanganate is MnO4 minus. Okay, so the number of oxygen atoms present will be 4. 4 oxygen atoms are there in permanganate, MnO4 minus. Okay, this is the formula permanganate. So number of oxygen atoms will be 4. When few pieces of iron are dropped into a blue color solution of copper sulfate, the solution turns into dash color. The blue color changes to light green color because of ferrous sulfate. Okay, copper sulfate will convert to ferrous sulfate. Iron will remove copper and it will form iron sulfate. So it will be light green. Okay, solution turns into light green color. Molybdenum acts as a dash in the production of ammonia from hydrogen and nitrogen. So this will be promoter. Okay, molybdenum acts as a promoter. Sodium is stored under dash to protect it from moisture. So this will be kerosene. Name of the element with atomic number 19. It is potassium. Potassium is the element with atomic number 19. Dash revolve in circular orbits in the space available around the nucleus. So it will be electrons revolve in circular orbits. Electron or electrons revolve in circular orbits in the space available around the nucleus. Next, the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom, nucleus of the atom of an element is called its atomic number. Atomic number is the number of protons present in the nucleus of the atom of an element. The shorthand representation for the atom of a specific element, this will be, shorthand representation means symbol. Okay, symbol is the shorthand representation for the atom of a specific element. Next, the number of valence electrons present in chlorine atom. In chlorine, we know the number of valence electron. This will be 7. 7 valence electrons are present in chlorine. Achha, water decomposes into hydrogen and oxygen gases when dash is passed through it. So this will be electricity or electric current. When electric current or electricity is present, is passed through it. Okay, electric current is passed through it. So this was, so student, this was the marking scheme, and about your pre-annual unit test portion. The rest part means the second part of the chapter, chemical reaction, that will be there, along with some other chapters, means the few previous chapters which are there, that I will be telling in the, after the school reopens, when we will be getting the class, I will discuss that. Okay, but for now, the second part of the chapter, chemical reaction, that will be there in this, pre-annual unit test portion. Okay, and one more chapter we are having, that is carbon, that we will be doing in the annual part. Okay, so this is all for today. Just enjoy the puja properly. You uh, take all the safety measures, take all the precautions, and be safe. Okay, try not to go out, maintain social distancing. These things you have to maintain, because again, next year we can enjoy the puja, but this year we have to be safe and stay healthy. Okay, so that you maintain, enjoy the puja, but enjoy it from your home. Okay, this is all the best, and wish you all a happy Sharadiya. Thank you.